Two arrests have blown the lid off a dirty nexus between Maoist terrorists and terror groups like the Simi and the Indian Mujahideen. Times Now's investigation reveals how a terror conduit in Bihar stored hundreds of kilograms of explosives, supplied them for manufacturing bombs, and eventually handed them over to Maoist terrorists to help them carry out their vicious designs.
Sacks of explosives seized by the police in the heart of Gaya, leading the investigators to lay their hands on this man, Kamruddin, a dangerous terror conduit between Maoist terrorists, Simi, and the Indian Mujahideen. Suspected of supplying sophisticated arms and ammunition to terror groups to help them execute their vicious designs.
Over 1,000 kgs of high-end explosives were recovered from this place just 1 kilometer away from the Gaya railway station. And the prize catch for the Gaya police was Kamruddin, also known as Bilai and Azad, who is alleged to have been the key link between the hardcore terror groups like the Simi, the Indian Mujahideen and the CPI Maoists.
Strong indications and inputs that talked about his links with the Simi. And as I told you, that different organizations, they have their internal links. So we are investigating into that.
But Kamruddin was not acting alone. Acting in cahoots with him in his sinister plans were two men, Abu Hamza and Ajay Kurumi, who in this nondescript home in a middle-class locality manufactured bombs from the raw explosives sent by the conduit to them before dispatching them to their terrorist clients.
The explosives used to be then transferred to this house, which is located in the heart of Gaya city. Ajay Kurumi and his close associate Abu Hansala used to manufacture high-end bombs and improvised explosive devices from this very place and later transfer it to the CPI Maoists.
The owner of the house, which the duo used, claims ignorance.
यहाँ जब यहाँ रहता था तो इससे हम लोग को फीलिंग नहीं होता था, लेकिन कभी कदार जब उसका स्मेल आता था तो पूछते थे कि ये स्मेल क्या आ रहा है भैया, तो बोलते थे कि ये पेपर बनाने का ये केमिकल है.
With two accused in the police net and the third on the run, investigations are on over the scale of the conspiracy and the possible targets. Once again, blowing the lid off the dirty nexus between the Maoists and other dreaded terror groups. With Prema Sridevi in Gaya, Munmun Bhattacharya for Times Now.